What kind of exercises can I use to fix my posture? This is a very tough question because there's so many postural problems that people can have. So I think a better way of looking at this is, can exercises fix my posture? And that's an unqualified yes. But the exercises have to be applied correctly. So each person has to have their posture analyzed, has to determine where the postural defects are, and then an exercise program has to be designed specifically for them. It's not like a one size fits all, especially with postural problems, because there's just so many variants. Person could have forward head posture, person could be hunched, person could be tipped to the side, have a hip out. There's so many postural problems. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.